Other than that, I kind of want to just see how the market plays out in the first few minutes, see if we can get above 710 on Qs. If we could get above that and hold it, I'd probably look for longs. If not, if we reject that 710, I'm going to look for shorts.
That's a pretty solid thesis.
Yeah, so for me, I'm just kind of waiting. See how the market plays.
What's going on with crypto this weekend? Anybody sell or holding Bitcoin longs or anything like that? Up 25% over the weekend. Pretty crazy. I'm sure you guys saw all of the gremlins come out.
Yeah, the We're So Bad crowd is loud. I do have it going back to like 84 on Bitcoin. We'll see. A little bit extended here, obviously, but nice baits that it's working out of. Some of the overnight or over the weekend news, it came out that Trump made a ton of trades. A lot of NVIDIA trades is what I saw on there as well.
All in NVIDIA?
An average of 35 moves per day in June.
Wow.
That's a lot. Now, the White House did clarify the president has no role in trading, which it said is handled by independent managers that use computer models that automatically replicate stock indexes. That was Wall Street Journal that reported on that. Let's see. There are a few other things here. I'm going to pin this. We'll talk more about this tonight, actually. We are doing a $1,000 prize contest with GameStop. It's going to be with leverage shares as well that are available. So you can actually pick 2x leverage tickers to try to win. You basically get a portfolio with $1 million. And whoever has the best return, I believe it's 2 weeks long. Yeah, I just pinned that up top. So it should show up for you soon. But we'll talk more about that tonight. What was the other piece of news that I saw that was interesting? Amazon's newest self-driving cars without a steering wheel, dashboard, or pedals have started hitting the streets in San Francisco and charging for rides in Las Vegas.
Oh, yeah.
NVIDIA reportedly in talks to invest billions of dollars into Perplexity at a $30 billion valuation. Morgan Stanley's Michael Wilson said, a renewed spike in oil prices is the biggest risk facing U.S. stocks. Wilson recommended using energy shares to hedge portfolios.
By the way, big pop here before the open. NQ's popping up about 50 points here.
Good morning, strangers.
Ooh, Emma Jamma.
Jamma, how are you? Do you have electricity?
I do. We were out for 10 days ish.
Damn.
It was insane. Like one of those things, like we make a joke in our neighborhood, 8/11, never forget, because it was August 11th. Is freaking crazy, guys.
Wait,
but
what
yes,
happened?
we do. We had like a derecho, some storm I never heard of in my life. Essentially, it's like a hurricane came through here, and like half my neighborhood, like even the houses got destroyed. Just it was terrible. Northwest Indiana. So I was not trading at all last week. We all good though.
Well, first and foremost, we're glad that you're safe and all is well. I'm glad that you're back online with us.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Robinhood looks good again this morning. Could have a nice little push. Watching that. And Tesla, of course, after last week. Going to be one of my top watches today. NVIDIA earnings week. Interesting stuff.
Wells Fargo upgraded Marvell to 310 from 240.
Okay, let's see. Oh, my lord, that is a drop right at the open. That is a drop right at the open there. Okay, NQ's down just about 90 points there right at the open. Let's see. Apple is still up. Amazon is green. Actually, nice green candle to start the day. Let's see what else. Oscar's pushing higher, actually with strength here. MasterCard up $13 here.
All right, I am watching. Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
No, I'm all good.
So I'm watching Hood here. A secondary reclaim of around 108. Definitely watching that. And then Apple. If we get a second push up through Friday's high level, Tesla selling off a little bit here. But we are back testing the midpoint of that gap. If you put on the daily, we've got a gap that we've had for quite a while. The midpoint of that gap is right around 357. So that's a key level because it's also the midpoint of that longer term sell-off that we had from I don't even know what the sell-off was, like 420-ish down to 300, 297. It's also the midpoint of that. So we're definitely dialed in on that key level.
Sox was trying to get a bounce right here. It was there for a second.
Software is what I'm looking at today. Anytime the AI trade is really down, it seems like software perks up. So
yep,
one of the names that catches my eye is Now. So Now above 129, 130 area is definitely interesting.
Yeah, I like that.
Now has been doing really well for me. I was in it at around 107.
Yeah, now it's one that I have, I think, from around 93. I mean, I just couldn't believe it was that low.
Yeah, that's a fantastic pickup.
Yeah, I'm really bullish.
Hey, good morning, guys. What's up?
Good morning. Yeah, same here. Soxel dropping hard here, still making lows. It did have a little bounce here for $3, but immediately got taken down.
10 minute too short, 3-minute CBC, scalp.
I'm very surprised we're opening up this far down, especially with the NVIDIA news and all the other news that we had this weekend.
Yeah, we're starting to drain here. We'll see everything start to update in just a second.
Watching this all shake out here, see if we continue to sell or not. And for all you swing traders out there, if Tesla back tests 350 to 353 and then closes still above that gap on the daily, I do like it for swing trades, guys. I do like a second chance entry on a pullback. So just keep an eye on that if it can hold the gap.
They're still smacking Walmart calls. Wow.
Yeah, I'm with you on that, Amma. The only thing is for me is I hate to see the overall market rolling over a little bit. So getting into new positions when the macro is starting to roll over is not my style.
No, I agree. I agree for the most part. I think with Tesla tends to be its own little, it'll kind of march on its own even when the market is kind of shit. So but in general, yeah, I'm not looking for too many long-term positions right now, but Tesla is one I think can catch a little bit. We'll see though. We'll see, because it's already pushed from 297 to 360. So that was already a pretty big move it's had.
Okay, I'm gonna follow some of this Walmart flow. I'm gonna do 106 calls, so $1 out of the money for September 18th.
I am also long Walmart. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, what's up? Good morning.
What's up? What's up? Hope everyone had a great weekend.
Yes, sir. Hope you did as well.
I did, and I'm not excited to trade this week, but it is what it is. I'm going on vacation next week, and I should have flipped it. I should have went on vacation this week instead, but poor planning.
Hey, Scoop, balls up 85%.
You took them, Frank? Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah, it's getting a pop right here. Google did just hit the daily 21 EMA. So nice pop. I'd like to see continuation on Google for a good swing. So still
Google,
really
I
like
agree.
the 370s for 918.
Watching Apple here for a bounce.
Watch MRVL for a bounce. It just hit the daily 21.
21.
I know they have earnings this week, but
There's the bounce we wanted. Boom, bang, boom. Did I really just say boom, bang, boom? Oh my goodness. What is wrong with me? I need more coffee, guys. That was crazy.
Boom, bang, boom. You never know what you're going to hear in the morning.
Like, what was that? Everybody's silent. You know, like, what did I just say?
bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam.
They're not like us. That
The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Watching Microsoft here too. It's kind of been in chop the last few days, but if we can finally break over that 486.50-ish area, could be good. But we'll see. We want follow through with Apple. We don't obviously want a one candle play there. We're looking for follow through.
Okay. Let's see. I don't have a spot. Oh. I didn't realize I had SPY puts. Most because
Covered half, MNQ, trail stop.
I just looked. Holy shit. Wow, that's gotta be smarter than that. Forgot that I swung them on Friday. Oh, Sandex is down 10% now. Ooh,
Oh wow.
$163, down another 70 from the open. And you got NQ dropping lower here. Let's see where Sox is at now. It's got to be under 109, I'd say. Oh, 109.50. Okay. Trump just said on January 1st of 2027, tariffs on all cars, trucks, both large and small, automotive parts, and steel will be increased to 50%. Hoorah, Raggy. Okay.
All right, so Microsoft looks good here. It's starting to get a pop into that 486.50 level, which is the key level, Friday's highs. If we could get through there, it's also a pretty critical level just from last week in general. And then around 488.20 or so would be a trim point.
Amazon had some flow at the open and it's popping here.
Possibly 29K target NQ. It's right beneath us, 62 points lower. There's a big drop already this morning, so just be careful.
All right, there was there. Now we have a chance to get a little bit of a trim off on Apple. That first candle pulled back pretty quick. We are back up to 120 from about 75 cents. Make that 125. That's exactly what we wanted to see, and it gave everybody a chance to get in with a good entry.
Amazon is just pamping here.
All right, and there goes our Microsoft as well, off our 485.50 into yesterday's high of day. If we could break through this and get confirmation there on Microsoft, again, I'm looking for 488.50 or so trim level.
Long gold, 15-minute CBC. I like the 3-minute EMA guidance.
Core. Okay, Netflix is popping back up here.
Okay, so there's that trim place at the break of Friday high on Microsoft, just to take a little risk off because it is 0 DTE.
By the way,
our continuation 488.50 is what we're looking for.
Pelosi discloses up to $12 million in Bloom Energy purchases. Let's see. Q's coming back down here to 705. If we break 705, we can see 702.
$60-point gain, MNQ, covered a quarter. Here's your 20s test. Great area to de-risk. Bill breaker 29K. Looks almost like a guarantee, but they will play with you many times down here. So I also have a key support, NQ daily, inverse head and shoulders neckline is at 910, 28,910.
Got Soxel still pushing lower.
And the video's dying. But it did just hit the daily 50 EMA. But NVIDIA selling now down over 2%. AMD just dropped down 3.5%. Micron Technology is selling. It's about to hit 900. And SanDisk is down like $100 since pre-market.
$29,000. There you go, Bill broken.
Heavy downside on Qs.
100-point gain. Scale and trail, please. I cannot lose this trade now, but I am going to lose the gold trade. I'm out.
Okay. I just sold some cash secure puts on HIMS for $28 puts for Friday expiration. Market is draining here.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I was not able to get in on any of this fun to the downside. I'm flat. I haven't taken a trade yet.
Yeah, I wanted to get a short into the bounce into 710, and it got just before it. I probably should have just taken a short.
120-point gain. I'm down to the runner. MNQ, GG.
Very possible.
It's a 20 EMA bounce. Oh, sorry, not.
No, you're good. You're good. Yeah, very possible we get to 702 here. I would be interested in a possible long if we could see some support there. We're at 703.30 right now in Qs.
ES is trying to bounce a bit. What was I just about to say? Do we have data today?
I don't think so. Spy. Okay.
We hit Thursday low, the close price, like almost to the penny, and just bounced straight back up. QQQ, I have a zone right here from Monday, August 3rd to Tuesday, August 4th. We gapped up over the spot. There's a small little gap that hasn't been filled. The pre-market low of that was around 702.80. And we just hit 702.87. So I have a little gap and support zone down there on Qs. SPY just, and ES just got an instant stick off that level, straight back up to your 5 minute.
Hey everybody.
Yo.
I'm short on gold here.
Soxel's down 10% here.
Right, catching a bid on ES, especially. It's almost back at open. Actually, not quite.
Took a 15-point bounce on ES now. Just backed us to the 5 minute 9.
MNQ short, bill breaker scout. Oh, right there, 16 points.
Ooh, maybe.
A little strange on like your gamma this morning because there's something showing your highest levels of gamma above you, like for SPY, and then Q's SPS is actually building below you. Your internals are both positive this morning.
I'm seeing 7650s is the biggest negative gamma spot on ES.
Yeah. I mean, in your mags, aren't terrible. I mean, Tesla looks weak and NVIDIA chips obviously selling off, but Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple,
Covered
Google,
half, 22 points.
these are all still green. Amazon's still pushing up near high of day.
Yeah, you got the Mag 7
Google.
doing pretty decent.
Google's looking pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Palantir took a bounce. Still down overall, but did take a nice bounce. Apple's still in that same range, and then Microsoft is the one just kind of hovering there, just below Friday highs. This is a key range. If we could break out of it, we should be able to come test that 500, but that's a big if on the breaking out of that. But I do have a small position, nothing big on that one.
Looking at the daily on SPY, our previous all-time high, or this is for ES, but 76.48. I think that we come down and retest that. Maybe not today, but sometime in the next week or so. We're pretty close to it, so I don't see why not. But I think textbook break and base of the previous sellers, maybe they cover. I'm also concerned with NQ's daily ranging. So best thing for the viewers or listeners to do right now is to just remain unbiased in an indecisive market. Take your few setups a day and be content to profit, walk away.
There's 60% on the Microsoft. I would sell half right away off that guy's massive candle there. And this is our second stab at Friday highs. So this would be the confirmation break, but take that risk off. Make it a free trade. Sell half. That way, the other half, you're just kind of free riding on that one. Because risk off is always the name of the game. Couldn't agree with more.
I'm just waiting here. It looks like ES wants to reject its POC and first standard deviation VWAP. Coming lower. I almost shorted the back test of 29K, but I just didn't push the button. I didn't want to risk where I was going to risk. I would have preferred my entry to be there.
$62-point gain down to the runners on the MNQ short ladder. We're up 140 points on the initial position.
Big time. Got a little new low a day too.
Yeah, I've been looking for 702 on Qs, and we're coming into it now. I do want to see if we hold that. Maybe get to 701.54. I am looking for a put spread very soon here. By the way, $700.05. We had over $4.2 billion traded in dark pool on QQQ at that level. So if we get to that level, I'm definitely opening a spread. We did just get a pop here. A nice wick there. 70 to 80 cents on Qs.
Yeah, we're bouncing around the 950s area. Thank you. Let's see what we can do here. ES looks much better.
Okay.
How was everybody's weekend?
It was good. How about you?
Lovely. That was yours.
I had a lot of entertainment watching Minx posting her videos. I didn't realize how many languages you knew.
I know, right?
That was awesome.
Showed out remainder of the ladder MNQ.
I took shorts earlier and missed my re-entry for shorts, so just sitting here right now.
I still think we come down to that 702. We would need to reject 705 now, though.
If we break 030s on NQ, I bet a lot of stops are there on shorts. If we break that, I think we get a lot of buying. But I don't know. I can't enter now. Candle was too green too fast.
Palantir's starting to get a little curl up here. However, those are weekly contracts, so those I play a little bit different than the 0 DTEs as far as the confirmation I'm looking for. But it did have a little liquidity clear out of Friday lows. Let's see what it does from here. Just want to watch. All right, Microsoft, you're gonna break Friday's highs this time. I feel like it wants to. Our second trade right here, I have sold half.
Come on.
95 cents to like $1.50 or so, and here's the break we want to see. Hopefully we could actually get that follow through up to our 488.50, which is my key target range.
2.5 minutes till 10 a.m.
Let's see what they do at 7:05 here on Qs.
Oh, I'm goofy. I can't believe I didn't see this. I have a zone on ES at 76.60s, and there was a big balance that we've been in, and we peaked below it and then came right back in. So that auction just failed really quickly. Curious to see what we continue to do, because now I'm leaning a little bit more bullish now on that. We could always come back down and retest it, but
Soxel is still weak, possibly about to put in its first green candle a day in the 5-minute, but and Q can't get over 29,030 so far.
I just closed out some longs here for the scalp.
nice.
Mm-hmm.
My limit order to enter on NQ was 29,000 even. The low of this 3-minute candle was 29,000 2.5. So I'm just gonna cancel it. Happens. The limit order giveth, and the limit order taketh away. Just gonna wait now.
There's about 38% on the second chance Apple as well. And there goes a little stab at finally breaking through this area on Microsoft, about 65% from the buy at 850. Here we go. We're gonna break through this. Come on, Microsoft. So basically what I'm doing is I'm buying the pullback on this Microsoft in the anticipation we do get that Friday break and the push through. You never want to buy up at the Friday high. you want to buy on the pullback, and then you're already in 50-60% as it breaks through the level that right here I'm looking forward to break through. We don't want to buy too close to that, because then you're really setting yourself up for a possible to be in the weeds. Instead, we played 95 cents to $1.79. So we got about 83% on that trade.
Big time.
I still think they're going to send this lower.
Nice bounce on MRBL right there off the daily 21, like 221. Just bounced up to your midpoint. You're 226. Google just made a new high of day. Apple just got a nice pop.
Yep, down to runners on Apple too, guys. New high of day Apple as well.
Amazon popping up. I mean, Microsoft new high of day. Your Macs are looking decent. It's literally just your chips and memory.
What's Microsoft doing?
Dead. Probably looking like ass.
That was about 90% on Apple, guys, down to runners, if you're following along on that one. Yep, there's 100%. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Nice move up on ES.
It's a nice little bouncy here on spot.
And there's 100% hit on Microsoft as well. Let's go, baby.
I'm trimming out some of these Googles here, just for profit.
Give me more of a pullback, please. No, I'm just gonna wait.
Meta trying to actually they did just get new highs. I'm trying to short here. Q704 calls. Oh, sorry, 704 puts for tomorrow expiration, August 25th expiration. My stop is going to be.
Even stops at break even on both. And risk is totally off on Microsoft. I'm down to 5. Apple, I'm down to 10.
Big time.
Oh, oh,
Right, here's a little bit.
oh.
Do it, NQ. Heard him. Really, right here where it feels like a guaranteed short is a really dangerous area if you don't have a position on. I just have a runner from mid 90s, 120 points above, but
Yeah,
I really like the 910 target, daily inverse head and shoulders, if we can hit it. If not, make sure you trail stop.
I didn't realize I was muted. I'm closing my QQQ puts there. Fuck. I didn't realize I was muted.
I'm trying a long at 980s.
I want to see 702 on Qs. Come on. Possibly 700.
Meta just made a new high of day.
Yep. Yeah, I was saying that too. Fucking muted, man.
I hate when that happens.
Yeah.
Where are you going on vacation,
Who?
Casey?
I
Didn't you
will
say you're
just
going on
be
vacation?
I'll be
Okay.
with the family out here.
Oh, nice.
Just on the coast, renting out a nice beach house for the week. So
Awesome.
just gonna go enjoy the weather, enjoy the pool, walk down to the beach, and just do nothing but enjoy the weather and time with the kids and family away from technology.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Except for from the hours about 9:30 to 11, I still will be trading every day. But just from my phone and laptop, just to check in and manage some things. But Adobe's actually looking somewhat more decent.
Adobe.
Still looks like ass, but it's trying to pick a bottom on your weekly and monthly, getting back above all the dailies now. It's above daily 200 now.
Come on, I need lower. That wasn't enough.
I'm taking a trim here at 10 points.
I'm kind of interested in BE after that whole Pelosi.
Oh yeah, her buys.
Yeah, just looking, if you go to the weekly chart, I mean, not a bad spot to look for buyers to step back in down in the low to mid 180s, but it's also your daily 200 SMA hit this morning. It's 186.89 right now, and that's where it bounced at perfectly. We're still holding it.
I'm also watching COHR sitting right under the 200 SMA on the daily, but has got some nice repeat flow today at the ask for calls that I'm watching.
Dude, the options on that one are questionable.
They're very what's it called?
Time to get expiration.
Yeah.
I charted it once before and I was like, okay, and I got like a whole thesis set up for it. I went and pulled up the options chain and I was like, nah, I'm good.
I'm all right, man.
Yeah. I was like, I hate when that happens, when I look at a chart first and I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh man, this is looking so good lining up, and I go pull up an option to go trade on it, and I'm like, yeah, I can't trade options on this name.
Right? It's so disappointing when that happens.
Dude,
Lockheed Martin is a big one of those for me.
LMT is a tough one.
Yeah, I own it, and I sometimes I can just get a good read on it, and just like I'm not going to be right, but I just good spot to put on risk, and the spread will just be like $5. You just can't. Yes, here I'm looking to see if 760s holds. There's definitely a lot of stops right at 762. These swing lows in the 5-minute. I don't mind entering where I think other people's stops are, but I also don't want us to just flush it.
I'm still seeing a lot of just divergences, and it's just leading me to think we're just gonna be in back and forth mode for a little bit until things start to get in sync. I have a feeling like this week is going to be, if you're swing trading, you need to have a lot of time on your contracts to be able to hold through it and let the trade play out through all the chop and all the data and earnings that are going to be coming out this week. That way they're not going to be super, affected by that volatility. And if you're day trading, it's like you get in and you get out. You don't sit there and watch it for too long.
Yep.
Otherwise, you'll just get chopped to bits by the end of the day.
Exactly.
What was I supposed to say? We do have NVIDIA and Iron this week, are two names I know for a fact.
And Marvell.
Yeah, Marvell. There's actually a lot of good.
There is.
There's a lot of good ones.
Yeah.
I'm excited for the slides. Dude, I love scrolling through them and making content from it.
Elf is popping. Elf looks good. Elf is in the daily gap right now, up to like 115, 116.
Come on, new lows. Do it.
That's another one where If you're swinging, just buy time.
Yeah, just holding the second standard deviation view up right here.
Rivian still has 17 buckaroos.
I sold $18.5 covered calls this week already when it actually just popped.
I hope they go in the money. Just kidding. Not really, but kind of. I know Knots holds a lot of shares, so he would still be very, very green if it continues to rip higher. The hood cash secured put swings are up 50%.
I will not be trading options today on my Vanquish account. There's just no way.
Oh, yeah, I gotta do that. Thank you.
Maybe I might do a spread with Knots, but I'm not going to trade single leg SPX like I normally do.
Thank you, sir.
Of course.
Gonna have to pull that one up.
It's so close to passing. I know so many degenerates would just try to make the last little bit and then blow it.
Be a man.
Yeah, man. Put on all my
All in.
Yeah, it's me. I'm degenerates.
It's me.
I could pass it on Friday, dude. After everything.
Listen, if Casey's $1 away from a $100 level, he has to go for it.
Always got to.
NQ looks like it wants to make new lows. ES is considering. Oh, come on.
Trump says that 50% tariffs on Canadian cars, trucks, auto parts, and steel. January. Oh, whatever. Give me a real headline. Banks are ripping right now.
We have Jackson Hole this week too. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually forgot about that. Shit.
That's why I said this morning, I was like, dude, I should have went on vacation this week.
I totally forgot about that.
I don't hate MRVL call swings. They have earnings. Q's hit that freaking gap perfectly and they're still just holding it. The exact same zone. I'd like for them to give a new low of day and just go fill it real quick.
I would also prefer new low day. It's just, it looks like it wants it. I don't know if ES will make one, but I think NQ will.
Yeah, we going to 702, mofo. Come on, baby.
Bend it.
I think so.
I need it.
What do you see at 702 right now?
Volt.
On Qs?
I'm on the volume view.
Oh, hold on. I'm on the multi-chart. I don't.
No, you could go to the top.
Gold short, smaller size here, just because it's risky. I'm looking for the 3-minute EMAs to hold.
Go to the top and click the volume view. It's just better for shorter expirations.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, everything's lower. I mean, we are. I do think we bounce some point very soon. I mean, we're actually bouncing right now, but
yeah. You had a little bit of divergence this morning because SPX is now flashing kind of back and forth. Now it's back above it, higher. Spies is here-ish. And then Q's is still underneath your
Bold new lows there. 5-point gain. I'm going to cover half.
Voldy and VoltickIO are both still positive.
Come on. Come on.
What future option would you buy GC into the end of the day? Well,
Risky, but I'm trying a short here at the 29,000 figure.
Yeah,
Macro trade.
XLF is pushing higher. Someone just asked about that. They said thoughts on XLF moving higher with the anticipation of higher rates.
10 points trailing. Sorry enough.
No, you're good. You're good. Yeah, I mean XLF is actually about to hit. Is it all-time highs? It's definitely 52-week highs. Looks like all-time highs. Yeah, it looks like all-time highs. I mean, we still don't know if rates are actually gonna be raised higher yet, but the talks were obviously there, so it's just something to watch. It's about to see those all-time highs in about 7 cents.
About 30 points here. I want to hold till new low day.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh, that wick sucks. My stop is break even though. I want to give it room.
You want a day on Apple here?
Yes, Apple, nuke the market. New low, new low,
Come on.
Trail stop hit remainder gold. There's a 20 EMA bounce. Or sweep as well.
I trimmed one more down here. I'm down to the last one. I just wanted to lock in a little bit more. And I'm at the rest. Not a bad trade. I just wanted more.
Stocks are still near the lows, but possibly trying to turn. Honestly, Q's looks like it's good here.
Curl up and bounce. It just hit an SR flip spot right here from Wednesday, August 19. SR flipped it on Friday for the big run. This is the first time it's back testing. The level's 351.62.
Yeah, I was gonna say, honestly, it looks like we could turn here. Need to get over that 21. I mean, at least the 9, I should say. Sorry, I was looking at a different time frame. But plus, Soxo looks like it's about to turn up.
ES looks good.
Yes, looks good.
It do. It held.
Good.
It'll
be looking delicious.
held POC, value area low, breaking over for second. Ooh. Yeah, no new low a day makes me think we're gonna rebalance here. That was the last chance it had, and it made a higher low.
Our Tesla contracts and moving so far this way. These ones are moving like ass. These ones don't look terrible. Also kind of moving like ass. Look at this pot. Look at Q's off the same spot again. I should have longed it for a second time.
Yeah, 50-point bounce off that. Good golly, what level am I talking about? Up of 80s, 970s, 980s.
I mean, look at the 10-minute potential reversal right now on Q's, and look at the 15 and 30-minute right now. Like, buyers they're defending down there. We just need to see some momentum from a few other things to get continuation. Otherwise, if we chop here for too long, it might just build a little box and bear flag break to the downside eventually if they don't step in on a few of these other names.
Dude, if we just wick off 30s again.
Just need some life for your chips and memory names too.
I'm short at 34.50. I covered 25.
Let's go.
IWM's defending previous day low again, just bounced. But yeah, Q's a struggle bus.
All right. Short 10.
Okay, we're flats.
It's an upper wick on SPY at the 5-minute 21.
That's big. That's a big trade right there.
That's now. This is just garbage.
Last it. Fucking slam it.
If Mariah just said ES looked good, it does not anymore. That wick does loud. That wick is gnarly.
Yeah. I wish I would have had resting orders right there on 5-minute 21 scale.
Yeah, Trump said something about putting more tariffs on them. And one of the guys from Quebec or somewhere said he's going to try to cut off electricity.
You get a tariff. You get a tariff.
Everybody gets a tariff. Everybody gets a tariff. Look under your seat.
Pull it out, open the envelope, and read it out loud. What does it say? More
I stopped for
tariffs.
15 on the last 8.
I'm sitting on hands.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing anything interesting on the flow. I'm still seeing divergence on the internals. I don't like not seeing a lot of confluence for either side right here. I am just sitting on it. I'm looking at individuals. I don't really care too much about indices right here because this is
MNQ short, 3-minute EMA risk, smaller size at the lows.
it's gonna be tough.
And like we were coming into 10:30 as well. I bet IB said we take out the low.
I would like to see QQQ go down and fill this little gap and go lower. That would make me, and then see like a really good sweep maybe on a 15 and 30 minute, and then start to see some of your chips and memory names start to rebound at the same time. That's the only way I could probably take another long.
The 702 is still growing, so I hope we get there.
I'll short another 25. It's a little bit. I'll short another 29 bean back dust.
Not check out Shopify.
Let me see. Gibby. Shop. First, we check the chart.
Do the chart and then do OI.
Okay, first, the chart looking good. I like that. That looking pretty. Not looking like yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I look at this chart it's like I'm looking at a mirror. What's going on?
I definitely think we can see that 155 based on the chart. And what I'm seeing, obviously, there's also, is that technically a gap? I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't even call it, but I'm just saying we're kind of disconnects there and gap down 153.30. I actually do like this one.
Yeah. You see that 918 node?
Let me see. Yeah, what about it? Oh, sorry. Yeah. I see.
Are you on volume or OI?
No, I'm on OI. So when I'm looking for like swings, I switch to OI. I mean, I check both, but volume is really for shorter. That's where it kind of put it on because a lot of the sites are missing like the open interest part of it. That's why I have the two views.
I'm short. 29,000 even.
I do like that though. I'll watch it by the end of the day and see how we go from there.
Yeah. I'm just looking at a few of these individual names I think can start to potentially turn up.
Turn up.
Turn up for what?
All right, what a stick.
They're defending.
Chop, chop, chop. I got my average to 08, double 08.
I'm just freaking waiting for something here.
Just want to see Google get a bust candle to 350. Visa made a new all-time high this morning.
MasterCard was ripping.
Yeah.
Where is it now?
I sent a chart out, I want to say last week or the week before. They had a potential Morningstar reversal on both of those. And MasterCard's was the best right off the 21. Just that weekly setup was beautiful. It didn't make a new all-time high yet. It got close. Only Visa did.
Oh yeah. Also, if you, I talked about it a few minutes ago. XLF is obviously, also doing the same thing.
Yeah. Banks look good. Your retail right now, your consumer staples, and your banks are looking spicy. Oh, come on, Google. You gotta just it's gonna give me a new high today. You gonna bust it to 350.
Oh, yeah, Airbnb's popping here. I'm gonna take put spreads.
I'm close to my stop.
My fucking shitload. What the fuck?
I stopped.
We're popping.
Damn, there's like no premiums. What the fuck? Where all the premium go?
Where did everybody go?
There ain't no premium in here. The hell? What kind of bullshit is this?
Apple still looks good. It's just kind of chopping a lot of most stuff is though. So
So starting to turn. Apple higher. Let's see. Are these?
Look at that daily candle on BE now.
Oh yeah. Right off the 200.
Mm-hmm. Right offer.
Right off.
Alright, we'll grab these Teslas.
Flat MNQ, small size, took the loss.
Damn, they're
There goes
pamping.
Tessie, baby. Come on.
They're
You getting
freaking
some green
pamping.
candles now?
We getting some green in here?
I know, dude.
nice entry there.
Q's. Oh my god. I should have full boarded it. Just your 5-minute 21 and VWAP on Q's.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, sweet mother of pearl. Oh, yes. Yes.
I'm gonna see if we get over this 21.
All right, I'm going to take a trim on Tessie here. That's a stick and a freaking half. Oh my god.
Mama!
Lord have mercy. I'm about to move.
Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I'm about to buzz. Okay, into that 21 here. So far, sitting pretty. Oh. Ooh.
All right, taking another trim on Tesla here. $350 on the contracts. Filled at 355.
Nice. Beautiful.
Oh, I'm trying to break out.
Oh my God, Tesla, yes, right off that freaking SR flip.
Nice. Okay.
I'll have Tesla stop at entry.
Pretty chill here overall. Apple is absolutely ripping face. Beautiful trade there. Nice call out.
Yes.
My Rivian calls are up 90%. Where's it at?
1705? No, 13 now. 1713.
Yeah. Oh, it just went above previous day high briefly. That's why. I need 100% screenshot. I don't care about 90.
Get it.
Mama.
All right, we gotta pull back on this next 5-minute candle, right? We gotta pull back.
Volt turned to 706 now.
Don't pull back. Just freaking send it.
All right, guys, I have to hop off. I have a stream here in a few, but I'll be back Wednesday morning with y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoy.
Fun. Yeah.
Take it easy. Have a good one.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, and just Tesla. I was talking about Tesla liking it kind of for that swing trade as long as we held that 352. that still stands. We're right back at that midpoint of the gap down, the gap on the daily. So it's a key area. So, I mean, I think that, it's sketchy. We've got NVIDIA earnings this week, all the things, but it did pull back into that area. We definitely wanted to see the bounce. I just wanted to follow up on that before I left. Peace out, guys.
Okay, so where is this flow that I was looking for? I don't know where this flow is. Still rejecting here on Qs.
Long goal, 3-minute EMA.
Come on, Tesla. I know you want it. Yeah. No, I won't ya. I know you want me. You know I won't ya.
ES really wants to break me up.
Do it.
trying to see if this freaking 5-minute candle of Google can just pop over 350 real quick to take another trend, but we are at resistance on the QQQ and SPY. It's back testing previous day low.
Yeah.
Come on, Google. A little bit higher. Come on. 350, baby. Frank, you still have any Google calls left, or are you all out this morning? If he's still here. I'm not sure if Frank is still here.
Out like a trap.
Out like a trap. It's great.
Yeah, I'm flat. NQ. I had a couple good trades. I'm out. I'm flat pretty much everything. Thinking about buying some puts and Qs but see how it does against a 21 here in NQ.
Dude, they're hitting this TTMI again. What is this fucking thing?
I don't know if I don't think SMH comes back today.
I don't think so either.
When it's down 2.5%, 3%, you don't really see it. It could bounce a little, but Abgo got me today a little bit, but I cut it quick. Let me cancel the short order. Just cancel.
I'm out half these Google calls. I'm out half.
Nice, good job.
Thank you, sir.
I actually bought more in the opening before I sold any.
I bought those 370s for 918.
I had some bids in this morning. And I said, "Oh my god, I bought some more." He wicked me before it ran.
TTMI. Fucking interesting, man. Check the chart on this bitch.
Long ES, 15-minute CBC.
Actually does look good. Okay.
Frank, did you trade EL recently?
I missed it. I watched it, and I'm like, it was such a piece of crap. And then all of a sudden, it started to run, and I didn't chase it. Yeah, but all those makeup companies are having a run.
Someone in the Discord told me to tell you thank you for EL. I guess they caught this move on it.
Well, I was talking about it like a few weeks ago. Like, it looks like it's. Oh, I did. I said it. I said a couple weeks ago. I said, looks like that thing's bottom. It's continuing to run.
No.
But then I was like, I don't like to chase stuff for some reason. I have a problem with that.
Stop hold, 3-minute fail.
You know what I am seeing though? Hardware or memory is got a problem. Like, I don't think we'll see highs for the year. It just can't get off its back. Something has to change for that to change.
This person said, Frank, that you mentioned that stock a while ago, actually, when it was trading around $50.
Yeah, I bought Estee Lauder Public in the 90s, late 90s. Yeah.
Gotcha. I guess this person took it around that time. It was around 50.
Yeah, it was around 50, and
Stock's now over 100, so 100%.
Yeah, they're revamping the whole thing. Yeah.
Nice.
Where's TTI? December. Mm-hmm. Damn, this thing is getting smacked.
Mm-hmm.
Look at TTMI.
TTMI.
And look at the flow over the today and Friday.
Oh, looks like ass, but it looks like a potential dumpster diver. Oh, that weekly was a morning or evening star. It looks oogly. What's the flow?
They're just hitting September and December repeatedly, all at the ask. And then there's a on Friday there's a. Well, actually, that doesn't matter. That's done with. Never mind. It was August 21st expiration.
Let's see. Flow TTMI.
By the way, I talked about Coherent at 265. That was getting major flow. COHR. It's already up $7 here.
Oh yeah, I see that flow for December 18th.
And September, what is it, 16th or 18th, whatever that date is?
September 18th.
Yeah.
There's a few on there too.
I'm going to probably trail it. I'm going to do October 16th. Because it should, I mean, let's see. I'm going to do 115 calls, 1016. TTMI.
Ooh, this is interesting.
What are you looking at?
Honestly, contract. Okay. I'll text you. I want to say it here.
Okay, I posted the TTMI up above. I'm gonna actually, sorry, I did post it above. I don't know what I was gonna say after that. It should pop up here in a second. You'll see the flow that I'm talking about. I took the October 16th 115 calls.
Interessante. Dude, Microsoft wants to bust out of this box so bad.
Yeah, I just sent you one picture there. That was just one from this weekend.
I see it.
Q's, watch that 5 minute there. Possible handyman. But coming back into the 21 and the 9, so.
I'm gonna send them a message and like kind of tell them what I just told you, and I'm curious on what the response would be.
Yeah, because I actually want to know. I'm unsure.
Because I've continued to refresh and isolate that contract over here, and nothing else pulls up other than just that one order from earlier at 10:37. None of the other ones after that. So interesting. Microsoft new high day.
Oh, man.
Microsoft getting a stick.
What am I looking at here? What am I looking at
That
here?
is still sitting at previous day high.
Okay, we're trying to push lower here. I don't know why this wick came up on my view. That's weird. Let me see if I refresh and it goes away. If not, I have to check that out. Yeah, weird wick came on the chart there. It's still there. Okay, I gotta check that out after the day is over. Back into the 21, but we were just there just a few minutes ago. If coherent comes back down, I would like to grab and try a long with time though. It had a nice wick here, back over the 21. Where's app? Is it under 300? Mother, go under 300. A name I want to get long term is App11 APP.
Dude, I was looking at that last night. I didn't send it for a chart on watch because I think it can go lower.
I would love for it to go lower. I want like I don't think we're going to get there, but 240, 250. If not, I would at least want 270 to 280, preferably. I think the Genesis at 250, something like that, maybe.
Guess who's back?
Ooh, the market came back. God damn.
Yeah. Going back in.
Bijan
I'm going in. I'm going in.
and I'm gonna go hard.
And I'm gonna go hard. 15-minute, my friend, Evening Star on SPY. So if it does, I will go short, looking for potentially that low to hit or get taken out.
Okay. Me, I just sit right now. I wait.
Time is it? 11. I can't take a spread. Well, you said there was no premium though, right?
I took one. No, not as much premium as you would want. Definitely not.
Do you take a call or put side?
Put spread.
Let's see. Oh, what the? What? That's it? That's all the premium I can get? That is some bull.
Yeah, the premium's very fucking low.
Yeah.
Yo.
I guess I wouldn't mind taking an iron condor, but dude, those are close strikes for an iron condor.
Cut the shit.
Still got that 7630 building on SPX.
Yeah. We may just chop. Not do much. What did I have to do? What did I have to do? What did I have to do? Oh, I know what I had to do. Oh, Meta's trying to go higher. Meta, she wrote.
Did you girls fall asleep?
What? No. Silly Willy.
I got long. I had a 75 average. I just stopped out. It's probably a bad stop out because you have support right here on QQQ, but I'm going to go make a coffee and look for another trade. I'd rather see like sweep of low of day to long again.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, between here and like on NQ, between 29K and like 170, I don't want to get involved. The wide range, but it's just like it's coin flip area for me.
Yeah, I'm just sitting right now. I'm gonna spread. Don't know what else. By the way, Walmart's popping up here. I did take longs before for the September 18th 106 calls. September 4th, August 28th, and September 18th, we're getting smacked for 104s and 105s. Smackaroonied. Let's see if any new flow came in across the board here.
They're trying to defend it here.
Ooh.
Ooh.
XLB.
Yeah.
29 times the volume over the open interest. Very big print for December 18th, $58 calls.
Your stocks in that sector have their earnings this week.
Yeah, the materials sector.
Let me pull it up real quick.
I don't like the daily on where it's at currently. I don't like that current daily, that's for sure.
I believe so. Let me pull this up. But you said XLB?
Yeah, XLB.
Oh, JK. I thought you said XHB. Talking about the sector.
Yeah, I'm talking about the XLB sector.
Oh, shit. Let me see.
The chart doesn't look good, but the flow is very interesting.
Thought you was talking about the home builders. I was like, we're gonna long the Home Depot. But yeah, materials. Meta just got to pop to 555 and schmiggity smack. Tesla kind of just chilling here.
Did they get back to you yet, Casey?
No, not yet.
Okay. So I'm interested to hear on how it
Probably won't be until like later in the afternoon or end of the day.
I'm still holding here, but I mean, under the 9, under the 21, need a push back above. $117. Ooh. Oh, no, never mind. Mm-hmm.
I want to ask. I mean, SPX. Well, either one to break this swing low.
You want to trade?
Yeah, I'm in puts. I'm in the 76.40s at $4.20. Wait, no, I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm on the wrong strike. 76.35s. Ooh, there we go. Beautiful. I'm gonna exit.
Okay. Well, we're still under that 9 EMA and 21 on the NQ.
Here's your start of the continuation candle from the sell signal for the 15-minute evening star.
Hey, pleasure making money with you guys today. Let's do it all again tomorrow. Great start to the week. Catch you later.
Sounds
Love
good.
you.
I'll catch you later.
Later, Maple.
NQ is holding the better than ES is.
NQ is and IWM is at the equal low. But if you put that aside and you just look at ES, SPY, and SPX, it looked good for the short right there. I didn't jump in it because my setup, even coming down to the equal low, puts it at a 1-to-1, which I don't really like 1-to-1 setups, even though it's a good setup, but I'm also looking at the premiums for the ones that I wanted, and they don't move very well. And even that drop right there wouldn't have been enough to take any kind of profit, really.
Nice wick there. Let's see if they can get back above.
Futures, I think futures are probably going to be a little bit better than trying to trade the majority of these options with the indices. BE is pushing.
Pamping?
Oh, yeah, dude, I should have. I'm probably still gonna
Good old
swing.
Pamp.
I know I'm late. But when it came back down to like 190, 191, that's where I was mentioning for it, and she's hopping.
Nothing like a good old Pamp.
Expensive on BE.
Yeah. They 100% are.
I mean, the 250 calls for 918 aren't bad.
What are they?
They're $550.
$550.
Pumping off the lows.
I know. I want to see Tesla just get another moon candle.
Okay. If we hold this, I'm going to add to my put spreads. Okay. I'm trying to add to my put spreads now.
See if Google can go touch this daily 50 EMA at 351. We bust through that. I'm gonna.
He's gonna buzz him too.
Why'd I just get an alert on Meta?
Because it is at 556 almost.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
New high. We just held at 705 gamma.
Hell yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Google. Come on, Meta. Oh, Google. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Mama. Mama.
All right, contracts are 400 here.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby.
I might long this pullback. If it pulls back.
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
Mama.
Mama.
Come on.
All right, fill on Google.
Nice, nice.
Let's go, me tough. Dude, Meta's gonna squeeze on 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour.
I still have my calls for October.
Uh-huh.
Is it October? Yeah,
I
the
had two-
Octobers.
Yeah, I had 2 sets of calls on it right now, but
I did sell the Septembers for a gain.
I took a trim on those. And that allowed me to sit through the chop that it then gave back or a pullback on what, Thursday, I think. Let me see. Caught the pop Wednesday, took a trim when it went over 553. They pulled back down, went red on Thursday. So allowed me to still stay in the trade after securing some gains. And then Friday we chopped, and now we're popping back up and we're at 555. So I need Meta to go to 560 to the daily 9 at 561.4, and I will be able to take another trim up there.
Whoa.
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what was
yeah.
that?
Whoa. Yes.
That news?
I don't know, but Meta is popping.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Wow, Coherent was the play, man. Holy shit, it's up $9 here.
Let's go.
I didn't get it.
Dude, the volume coming in the market right here.
Damn.
Microsoft just went straight back to high of day. Google popped over the daily 50 real quick right there. Yeah, googly doogly.
I'm gonna pull a fucking KC because I need $120 more to pass this account.
Let's do it, baby.
No degeneracy. I would just any day if I made this much money, I would not keep trading.
Going in. There's got to be a headline.
Yeah, I don't see anything, but I would think so too.
USI 7.5%, China overcapacity tariffs before the talks. I just saw, I'm trying to find it. Saw two headlines come out at the same time. Walter Bloomberg and Financial Juice just posted. Google contracts pop in. All right, there's your daily 50 EMA on Google. Again, make sure you lock some in right here.
I'm gonna try to long scalp it on some calls. Not real much.
SoFi still going higher. Let's go. She's so fine.
I got this. Oh, there we go. Oh, did it show me break even? Oh, it did. Oh, flatten all button, you demon. Oh, that's the worst. The spread must have been like like $1 or so, or not $1, like a few, like 30 cents, and I just didn't realize. All right, it worked out. I'm coming into view again on ES, and it's just not having it. We can actually break that.
They are pimping. They are pimping. They are pimping. They are pimping.
Pamp.
Literally pamp it up, okay?
Big pimpin', spending G's.
There we go, passed.
Bang!
Bang.
Let's go.
Yeah, SPX just flashed 7670. Massive grower on the GEX. And And I just saw another one move up to 76.90.
Mm-hmm. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a second. What the fuck? MCHP. Does that have earnings coming up? No. Okay. I don't know what this is, but October 16th at the ask, $87.3 million for 72.5 calls.
In the monies.
Is it in the money? Yeah, it is actually. It is. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That is fucking size. Yeah, it's at the ask. Wow. Hold on. Let me look this up. Okay, so MCHP. Whoa. What the hell are they doing now? I grabbed October 16th, 75 calls just to watch it. I also want to see how the OI changes tomorrow, but it shows it's at the ask. That is a very interesting one with size.
Huge. That's what she said. Okay, I'm hyped up past my vanquish. Let's go.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be watching that.
Nice ad on that put spread.
Oh, thank you. I wish I got more, but I'm happy with what I got.
No, that was a hell of a freaking ad. IWM is still holding that equal low, that same bottom. It's not really moving as much as SPY and Qs. I mean, SPY is still stuck in its box. Qs is actually starting to look like a little bit more constructive to try to day trade it versus the others. I put the magnet chart on Meta, so that should help it get to 560 today. We'll see.
Still pushing higher here.
Q's is ripping.
Yeah, it's pamping.
Dude, not.
Yo.
BE.
Is it pamping too?
Oh, dude, go look.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I mean, right at the 200 SMA too, and just $20 up.
Those 250 calls from earlier for a 918 expiration.
Yeah.
They're at, on that pop, I think it went from what, 5 to 550? Yeah, they're at 710.
Damn. I'm going to trim the October 16th meta calls just because I've been in them for a couple of days and finally actually trying to move a bit. So just want to get some of that money out. They're also expensive contracts. So
What a freaking ripper. Oh my god. How's your crypto names looking? What are they doing today? Coin's not doing much. MSTR is like, no, it is better. Clean Spark, not looking too bad.
wow, that size is so interesting to me on the microchip.
Mara had a good run this morning. Evening Star at high.
Mara. Meta's still popping. The TTMI is going up. Very nice, very nice. I wish I got the coherent, man. Fuck. That was a good one. That was a good one. Wow, we are just pamping. Over VWAP on NQ now. Put spreads are clean if anyone followed through. Just an easy one. I don't think there was any drawdown, maybe 10%. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I will be back in one moment here.
Previous day low again right here on SPY. AMD got a decent recovery. NVIDIA is still not really acting.
We're so back.
Oh, we are back. Previous low coming close around 709.20s for Qs.
The BE is just nonstop.
The Pelosi news still bumping it.
Yeah. So the gamma was 250 for 918. It's the reason why I was looking at those calls. And they're well up over now, $200 per contract gain. I mean, daily 200 SMA hit it perfectly this morning. Yeah, those calls are now at 800.
Good guy.
Q's getting that up.
Is memory coming off the lows?
That's the main thing I was looking for was your chips and memory names. Yes. Yeah. So MU got a decent curl up. AMD got a decent curl up. SNDK is back to where it was this morning. The only thing not really acting is NVIDIA. But it's holding, but it's still sitting down there near the lows. But yeah, all the other names that were selling off earlier this morning, they did start to catch a bounce. Help Qs get a little perky.
Big time.
Kind of interested in a little short right here, just a little scalpy walpy.
I like that idea.
Little scalpy walpy.
I like it more on ES.
We almost got to the previous low.
All right, let's see what we can do here.
Okay.
NQ looks like another decent short up at like the 240s area, but this back test right here real quick after that run, pretty decent area to short scalp it back down.
All right, you guys, decent day. I'm gonna call it. Get some programming done.
Yes,
I'll talk to you guys
ma'am.
tomorrow. Oh yeah. Peace out, everybody.
Later,
Bye,
Joe.
See you later, big dog. Big dog in the house. I wish we got to that previous low. I would have loved to have short there. You got in the short, right?
A little one right here.
Smart man, smart man.
Just around that 200 area on NQ. But yeah, like right there up to about the previous day low area retest on QQQ. I think decent little spot. Try for a short. Oh, short Discord. Gosh dang it.
What happened?
It always like just closes my stream from my chart. All the time. Yeah, SMDK, nice little recovery. IWM still not acting the best. Some $1,700 calls just came in on SMDK.
In 5 minutes here, we are going to close this down and go over to the YouTube. Just so everyone knows. 5 minutis. I really wish I got coherent. I also wish I got BE when you said it.
I know, all right. I covered some here on the short. Stop at entry, secure green trade.
Hell yeah. It's looking good. See if it breaks under that whoppity doppity.
Yeah, got no choice but to tune her at the VWAPs, even gets down to the 5-minute EMAs, but nothing more than a counter trend scalp.
Let's see, is there anything else that's popping up on this repeat flow? On the repeat flow. Nothing that catches my eye. What about unusual a day? Oh, still just micro. Oh.
Breaking VWAP a little bit. Is counter trend trading. Gotta take profit down in these areas and just keep securing a green trade. Don't let it go against you. Would like for it to come back down to 50.
Okay, so that MCHP flow that we talked about before. So they bought the calls at the ask and they sold them 20 minutes later. I want to see what the OI looks like on this tomorrow. It's going to be a bigger tell. But I mean, the stock is riding higher after that flow came in. So damn, they're still hitting coherent. Mother.
Covered again. I'm glad I took MNQ over MES. I'm all out. For NQ, by the way, that upper 5 little minute candle that had that wick, just shy of previous day low. That's also your daily 50 EMA. That's 708.75. It hit it almost to the penny. So shorting right there to back test previous day low was a great spot risk to reward for it. So far, 50 points for the rejection.
Very good.
Little counter trend trading. About to come back down to your 5 minute 9. So just watch those areas if you're still short. That's where buyers can step in. SPY. That was SPY's back test of the opening candle. It pulled back down to back test previous day low and bounced off of it. And now new high day. But Q's is underneath of it, so it's a little wonky, but it's the reason why I took MNQ over MES. Microsoft is still cruising up near the highs. Amazon still at highs.
Yep.
Still think you can catch a decent short up here to come retest the EMAs before potentially moves up higher, but watching the chips. think SPY is the largest level of gamma. Is 765 this morning on this move up. So, oh! That can't. What the heck?
What the hell?
I gotta go to the 1 minute. Look at that volume. That candle was red and then boing. They shot that sucker up. Hit 764.97. Then you have gap fill potential above. Is there a gap? Oh, I don't know what the hell that 4 a.m. candle is, but.
Just want to let you guys know again, we're gonna move over to the YouTube stream. Let me get that link up above. Give me 1 second.
All right, 765 just hit on SPY, new high of day. Yeah, SPX has the gap to like 74, I think.
I'll be right back in a moment.
Okay.
Okay, that link is up above, by the way, to go over to the YouTube stream. We're going to shut this down in just a moment here. Other than that, good trading so far. Okay. And now we just wait and wait and wait some more and wait some more.
All right. That's KC.
Yo, yo, yo.
We'll go ahead and shut the spaces down for the morning. Appreciate you boys holding it down over here. Jordan's on a boat somewhere, just being lazy, you know. Just thinks he can just take a day off or something. Stream has been going live. We'll be live until at least power hour. So we'll probably just see you guys over there. YouTube is probably the best. If you want to interact with the chat, it'll also be live here on X. It'll be on this channel. It's also on my personal channel, as you see pinned up top. Appreciate you, Knots.
Hell yeah.
KC.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you boys holding it down. See you on the stream this afternoon.
Sounds good, brother. I see you on the stream.
I did short 200, so I
Hey,
have like a
I did too.
194
I'm
average.
already out. I'm out. but I did
I'm
the exact
on
same thing.
2/3. It's counter shit.
Yeah, I did the exact same thing.
Okay. I'll catch you boys later.
Sounds good. Spy reject.
All right, everyone.
765 Gex. Let's see if we can pull back down a little bit. But
Yeah.
see you
I
guys
saw
on
that
the
on
stream.
Spy as well. So,
Yeah.
all right, we'll see you guys over on stream.
Later, guys. Great morning.
Okay, guys, I'm going to hop off here and get onto the other stream as well. Hope everyone has a great day. Great trading so far. Nice wins across the board on, I mean, if anyone took the Cohere flow, we're in TTMI, which is going up. Walmart is down just a little bit. Let's see what else. Our QQQ spreads are clean. The meta we trimmed out. So everything's going pretty well so far. We'll catch you guys in the other stream.